Okay, so today I tried to install some video recorder on my Orange Pi, and actually I tried with Kazam and simple screen recorder, and unfortunately maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it doesn't want to open the files which I'm making. So here is the Kazam. I'm making some video, you can see here. I'm clicking finish recording, saving, writing some name, okay, saving. I'm going to open this file, and videos, and nothing. So if somebody knows the reason, please ping me. I'm not super familiar with Linux. I will try to find some solution, so because I want to make cleaner videos of that what I'm doing. Thank you.